Hey everyone, welcome back to Money and Virtue, where we explore the big ideas shaping our lives. Today, we're diving into a question as old as time. Can you build wealth without losing your soul? Yeah, we're talking about money and virtue. Cut to quick montages of luxury cars, charity work, and someone meditating with dollar signs popping up on screen. Host, from the pursuit of riches to the quest for integrity. How do you balance the two? Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll share 3 actionable steps to grow your wealth and live by your values. Segment 1. The tension between money and virtue scene. Host walking through a park, talking to the camera. Host, let's face it, money makes the world go round, but how often do we hear money is the root of all evil? Actually, the full quote is, the love of money is the root of all evil. Big difference, right? Think about it. Can you chase financial success and still be a good person? Or does getting rich automatically put you in the greedy category? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I want to hear from you. Cut to a quick animated infographic. 2 scales, one with a gold bar, the other with a heart. The scales keep tipping back and forth. Host, the truth is, history is packed with people who've struggled with this balance. On one side, you've got philanthropists like Andrew Carnegie, who built immense wealth and gave it away. On the other, you've got stories of corporate greed and exploitation. So, where's the middle ground? Segment 2. Why you don't have to choose. Scene. Host sitting at a desk with a cup of coffee. Casual tone. Host, here's the good news. It's not a binary choice. In fact, money can be a tool to live out your values. Take Patagonia, for example. They're a billion-dollar brand with a mission to save the planet. Or what about someone like Oprah? She built an empire while empowering millions. The key? Using your money to amplify your values, not compromise them. Cut to a quick list on screen. Define your values. Build wealth with purpose. Use money as a force for good. Segment 3 to 3 steps to align wealth with virtue scene. Host standing by a whiteboard, writing key points. A host. Alright, it's time to get practical. Here are 3 steps to align your financial goals with your values. Step 1. Define what virtue means to you. Honesty, generosity, sustainability? Write it down, it's your guiding compass. Step 2. Create a purpose-driven budget. Spend on what matters. Support causes you care about. Cut out wasteful expenses that don't align with your goals. Step 3. Build ethical income streams. Whether it's starting a business or investing, choose opportunities that reflect your principles. Ethical investing, for example, is a great place to start. Closing scene. Host back in the vibrant city skyline, sunset behind them. Host. So, there you have it. Balancing money and virtue isn't just possible, it's powerful. The question isn't can you do it, but how will you start? Let me know in the comments which step you're going to take today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's chasing their dreams without losing their values. Until next time, remember, wealth is a tool, but virtue is the compass. Keep building your dream life the right way. Outro music and screen, subscribe button, links to related videos, and social media handles. Pro tips for this script. Storytelling. Include real-life examples like Patagonia and Oprah to make the message relatable. Call to action. Engage the audience with comments, likes, and shares. Visuals, infographics, montages, and lists make complex ideas digestible. Would you like to tweak this, add a specific example, or focus on a different tone?